Beck received her Bachelor of Science in Nursing in 1970 from Western Connecticut State University. 2 years later, in 1972, she earned a master's degree in maternal newborn nursing and midwifery. Then, 10 years later, in 1982, she received her doctorate in nursing science. During this time, she wrote an article on role conflict and helplessness to women's depression. So you can see this timeline here, where in 1977, she identified a clinical problem, which is the topic of postpartum depression. Then from 1977 to 2002, she performed exploratory descriptive research. And then in 1992, she finally takes all of that information and puts it into a concept analysis and develops a mid-range theory in 1993. And this mid-range theory on postpartum depression is the theory that is still in the works now in 2022. Then the last row of this timeline is from 2000 to 2001, where she applies and tests the theories, and several people apply and test her theory in clinical settings. In 2002, it should be noted that she performed a meta-synthesis, which is different from a meta-analysis. In a meta-analysis, that means they're developing an overarching generalization, but for a meta-synthesis, it refers to translating qualitative studies into each other. Meta-analysis involves aggregating data, while meta-synthesis involves interpreting the data.